It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today is going to be the first day I'm going to be tapping my trees. I probably missed about 2 or 3 really good days of running because I was away on holidays. I need to move my March break week, I don't know, maybe earlier. Before it used to, I mean, it really wouldn't affect you too much in that week, but consistently now I end up missing some of my run. So I'm hoping I didn't miss too much. So today we're going to try to get out here and tap some trees and see how much I can get done today, and then tomorrow, and then pretty well the whole bush should be tapped. And then we're going to see when we're going to start boiling. So let's go. My friends at B&T McFarland have allowed me to use the Kubota L2502 for a little longer. So I am going to be hauling the pails out with the bucket, which is going to be a whole lot easier because it ended up last year I was hauling them by hand pretty much. So the 4-wheel drive will come in handy for that for sure. We're going to use the Stihl MS250 with the Holtzform drill attachment to drill the trees. So we better get at this. Today is absolutely beautiful day, and I don't want to miss any more than I already have. So we got to get as many taps up on the trees as we can. So let's go. Man, oh man, I have taken off March break for years, and the Canadian March break is 1 week before the American one. And the last few years I've been missing stuff or running back and trying to dump sap. It's just been absolutely crazy. I really need to maybe move around my holidays because it's interfering with my hobbies. No, it definitely was a lot of fun. We went to Perth, and Perth, Ontario is a great place to go. There's a lot of restaurants and a lot of shops and everything. It's really, really nice. So if you're around Perth, I would definitely recommend, but maybe not during March break because if you're tapping trees anyways. Okay, so let's start tapping. If you've been around the channel for a while, you've seen my old MS250 with the Holtzform drill attachment. This thing is absolutely wonderful. I was just going to tap them all, but it's really running, and I don't want to waste what is running by the time I get the rest of the trees tapped. So we are going to start putting some of the taps out. Where did I tap at? I tapped 100 trees today. Man, the snow is still pretty deep, even though it did melt a bit. It is hard going. I'm hoping by tomorrow I should have my other 50 or so pails done, and then we will be good to go. I don't have all the lids on them, but I'll show you what I got. I got all these done with lids. Here too, all the way down the trail. Man, I have been trying to tap the trees closer to the trail because it's hard carrying them, it's hard tapping it, it's hard removing the pails after. Tomorrow I'll have to tap this side and around the sugar shack, but otherwise we really got quite a bit done today. So I got 2/3 of the pails up on the trees. I don't have all the lids on them, but I got a really good start to it. But man, the snow is deep and it is heavy slugging to get this done. Last week, I was away 2 days, and all of a sudden I looked at the weather and the weather warmed right up and I went, oh man, I'm gonna miss some of it. But you know what? I said, I'm just gonna enjoy my time away. And when I got back, I thought, you know, we'll get the trees tapped, we'll get as much done as we can. And then hopefully we have a couple boils. We really only need enough maple syrup for the family, so I don't think I missed too much. And it is relatively early yet, but you never know. The weather could just start to warm up and stay warm, which would be, I wouldn't mind it, but it would be nice to get some maple syrup this year. So I got 2/3 of the pails done, and tomorrow we'll get the rest done. So that's about enough for today. You guys have a good one.